Hello again everyone, welcome back to the workshop, and today we are going to be starting to make a hot cut for under the power hammer. I'm making it out of H-13, so let's throw that in the forge and start pounding away on it. This is the first time showing you guys this power hammer finally in use. I got it all oiled. First time I've been able to film any of this being used. Now that I have it installed, let's throw some steel in the forge. First, heat with this thing, on camera, H-13 tool steel, forging a power hammer hot cut. Let's see how this goes, folks. Love having this thing, definitely a great upgrade, and can get a lot more work done with this, faster. Definitely a lot of fun. So I forge the set down, and then I can flip this over and start forging out a handle for it. There we go. Gonna start drawing out the handle now. Let's get to it. This is why I wanted a power hammer, because this would have taken me like hours. Well, maybe not hours, but at least an hour or two. But it took me one heat. One heat. Like that's it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. What a night. This was absolutely a blast making it. This was probably one of my first projects under the power hammer that actually turned out well. I haven't really done too many. I've made a few, made one set of tongs. I started making a second one and it was all kind of jibber jabber. But this is absolutely amazing. This is going to be a tool that I'm going to be keeping around for a long time. So I ended up forging this into a 1.5 inch cutter by 2 3/8 long, It is roughly about 3/16 thick at the thicker part, and then I forged the handle out into about a 9-inch long extender. Thank you everyone at home. I had a lot of fun making this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and found it informative. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that red button down below, hitting subscribe, as well as hitting the notification bell, as I'm hoping to get a video out every other day for you guys. Make sure to drop a big thumbs up and let me know what you thought down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. We'll see you in the next one.